All right, there is something surprising about YouTube sometimes, okay? And in this video, I'm going to show you how a particular video I published on this channel with about 1,400 views have made over $33. Okay, let's get to my dashboard. All right, I'm on my dashboard and this is the video analytics. All right, and that's how to access apps on Android. As simple as this video is. So it surprises me that this video have about 1,400 views currently, then 17 watch hours, 4 subscribers, and $33 in so far. I don't know what is inside this video, so sometimes I'm surprised how a video of this kind, 1 minute 31 seconds, is making this a whole lot of money. Okay, let's go to the revenue tab so that you see what is here. And here, this is for every 1,000 views, I earn $23. I saying that. And the revenue per mile, okay, how much advertisers pay, that's a cost per mile is $51.98. And you may say this is not USD, but the truth is that it's in USD. Let's check, okay? I will go to my studio again. Then let's get to settings, okay? Then you can see this is in USD. All right. So I'm just surprised about how this is happening. What is going on? If you know any reason why this happens, just drop that in the comment section because sometimes every day when I look at analytics, my earnings, I'll see this guy, standing at the top part of the earning page. I'm usually surprised. So what this tells is that is sometimes it's not all about the length of the video. Sometimes short videos still make money, as in long form videos, but they're not too lengthy. Okay, I'm not talking about YouTube shorts. They still make money. Okay, but it depends on the niche because this is a core tech video. I think that's why it's outperforming. But I still have other videos on this channel that are tech videos. All right, this is about tech. That's what I teach here. So, but this one stands out. Can you please tell me in the comment section why this is happening? When this thing happened for the first time, when I saw a very high earning for the first time, I was like, is this a mistake? But once in a while, the thing still happens again. So, this video was published on June 22, 2023. All right, until today is December 1, okay, but this analytics is for till November 30, 2025. So drop that in the comment section. Let me know why this is happening. All right, is it a special grace or anything? Say something in the comment section.